tu vois, du coup, il y a écrit... Et guys, AI Effect, Darenn, MOA. Yeah, how do you like the new waiting scene? Let me put my face. All right. How do you like it? It's my cat. I think it's a nice waiting scene. So, maybe today, if we have enough people on Twitch, I will be an affiliate. Maybe tomorrow. So that's great. Surely tomorrow. We'll see. So that's good news. For YouTube, I still have a lot of watch time to make. But yeah, maybe I get there at some point. So my cat, you will hear the cat. He's like, sometimes he just wants to meow. Just when I start streaming. So great. So what are we gonna do today? It's gonna be short. I think we're gonna do this for about an hour or so. And I have one specific goal, but since eye effect is there, I had an idea of one thing I might want to do before we start. So let's do that, and I'm gonna try something right now. I'm gonna try to see if for the first time for this stream, am I gonna have a smooth transition to Godot? Are you ready? Okay, I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it worked. Alright, I've set up the shortcuts. So now, smooth transition to Godot. So, one thing I wanted to do, because eye effect is there, I'm gonna remember the scarecrow thing. We're gonna very quickly add it into the game because it's currently not in the game. See, it's hidden here. So I'm just gonna do a simple thing. We actually have something here. So we're gonna say that, yeah, 1/3 of the farm of the wheat field, 1/3 will display the scarecrow. All right, and that's actually all I have to do. So let's try. Let's try here. Let's build a few wheat field, and we should have. So it will randomly appear when you open this menu too. I wasn't planning on this. So anytime you open it, there is a chance there will be the scarecrow, but there's also a chance that, oh no, okay, if it appears in the menu, you will get it. That's nice. So it's working. So sometimes you will have a scarecrow. We can call it the eye effect scarecrow. Shit, that's a lot of scarecrow. See? Yeah. There wasn't a scarecrow here on the menu, but there was one in the game. See, like here. So, yeah. It's not synced. Actually, it seems like 1/3 is already too much. When maybe I'm gonna reduce this a bit because I'm not sure it's gonna be fine. Maybe 1 out of 10 have a scarecrow. And it's a probability, so you know, it doesn't mean there will be only 1 out of 10. Maybe like this. Let's try again. Because there was way too much scarecrow there. And now we don't have any. Crazy. Yeah, okay. And now? Is this... Seriously? Oh, there's one. No, it was only in the menu. Okay. Let's say 0.2. Maybe we got really lucky. And maybe we got really lucky and just got a lot of scarecrow in the last test. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Shit. That's better. Yeah, that's Spiritfarer. Well, it was a Spiritfarer. OST, some bit. Hi. I'm pleased to have you back on the stream. Okay. So here it is. That was just for UI effect. So now we will have some scarecrows in the game. Let's very quickly commit this, and then we'll go with the main goal of my stream today, which is actually also related to UI effect. Scarecrow. Random scarecrow. In the fields. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Alright. Yeah, Spiritfarer is very good. I didn't play it until the end because I'm... I kind of like complexity in games, and at some point I was feeling like I was always doing the same thing. But man, the characters, the stories, you have to cry the first time you bring someone to the... You know, when you bring them back to with the boat and everything, like, you have to cry. Yeah, and you know what? That's actually great, because I'm trying to make the streams here. It's the morning for me, and that's exactly why I'm gonna try to stream 2 days a week, and at two different moments of the day, morning and afternoon, so that people can get to the stream when it's best for them. Yeah, the story was great. Okay, so main goal of today. iEffect on the Discord kindly asked if he could decompile the game, and yeah, I said yes, sure, and he did, and I realized maybe it was a bit too easy to actually get access to all of my code, all of my assets, all of the scenes. So basically, he was using this tool, GDS decomp, Godot Array tools, and that's normally used to get to be able to yeah, in fact, I have to stop this, unfortunately. So yeah, guys, you're not gonna see the messages from Twitch or YouTube on the chat because it's actually forbidden. And I didn't know, and since I'm gonna become an affiliate after this stream normally, I prefer to stay on the legal side of Twitch. So yeah, basically they don't want you to do what I did with the bot sharing the chat messages from YouTube. That's actually almost forbidden to do it in the stream too. Like, you should be able on the top left of the screen to read the messages from YouTube and Twitch. That's also normally not really allowed, but I am seeing a lot of Twitch channels with 100 viewers and such that do it, so I'm just gonna do it. Let me know if it's too much of a bother. I think it's okay to not have the chat. I mean, it was looking not great to have the messages repeated all over and over again, so let me know. I'm sorry if it's too much of a bother. I can try again, but yeah, I'm not sure I want to get deleted. So yeah, this tool is normally made to get, you know, if let's say you lost the files of your game, which I'm not sure it will ever happen. You can back up and get them back with a build. All right. So I downloaded this. We're gonna try it. So here it is. Okay, so I didn't watch any tutorials on this. So we can recover the project. Let's recover one of the latest builds. Oh shit, that's really not practical. Dev Lueur builds automatic, and let's get one of the last ones. Shit, I was doing some testing with the names, as you can see. Let's get this one. Linux PCK. And now it seems like I have to select a destination folder. Let's do that here. Let's get it back up. Here you go. So here it's basically importing the resources, just like it would do when you open a Godot project. So it seems there is a few problems with the importing. Okay, and now I guess I can go there with Godot, import a new project, desktop, backup, and here's the project, and we should be able to open the... I'm gonna close the other one. Yeah, here you go. We have the project. I'm sure it doesn't work perfectly. Shit, it actually works quite fine. Maybe the translation do not work. Yeah, the translation do work. So you see, it was that easy. So basically, if you want the code project right now, you just have to do this. I mean, you would need a lot of work to take all of this and make a game with it. You know, it's not really that easy to do, to be honest. Also, my sprites are all pixel art. It's pretty easy to steal if you want to steal them. You don't even have to, you know, to do this with the game. So yeah, so it's a bit easy still, I think. I'm not comfortable with how easy it is. So one way to keep script kiddies to steal my project is going to be to encrypt the project files. There's actually a way, so that's Godot documentation, to compile with a PC key encryption key. So basically the idea is that, yeah, we're going to encrypt the code, and you need a sort of password to be able to decrypt it. And there's the step-by-step guide here, but it's actually not really step-by-step because at some point you need to compile yourself some parts of Godot. And that's actually not really explained. But I did some searching and I found this tutorial, which seems to be guiding us all the way. So my goal today is going to be to follow this tutorial, and we're going to try to protect the game like this. Know that using an encryption key is not the best way to do it, because as you can see here, you can... I just noticed, by the way, I didn't know. You can set an encryption key. And so basically, if you know the encryption key, you can get the project back. You can get decompile everything, but you have to find it. And there are actually softwares online. I'm not gonna get into them, but there are tools that you can use to get the encryption key. So we're not really protecting, but we are delaying the inevitable. At least we're gonna stop people who are just trying to just type Godot decompilation and just use this. At least we're gonna stop them because they're not gonna know the encryption key. And there's actually, yeah, so I affect no worries. I will generate a key and everything, but I will change everything afterwards. I'm not gonna keep the, after the live, I'm gonna regenerate a new key, recompile everything. And there's actually a way to complicate the, to make it more complicated to get the encryption key. Because the encryption key is hard-coded into the game. So that's why a software can't find the key. It's just the key is somewhere in the game files. So it's possible to find it. But there's a way to make this a little more hard. Like, it will be hard for the encryption software to find it. And you will have to decompile yourself and look at the assembly language. And that asks for a programmer. Like, yeah, nobody will be able to just download the software and do this. So that's the goal. So we're gonna follow this tutorial. So in this post, I would like to explore 2 ways of protecting Godot projects, of which many would consider it as futile effort. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's hard to avoid decompilation, but it's not hard to protect your game from just, you know, the easier it is, the more chance you have to find a clone of your game somewhere, you know. They don't even have to do much. They can just replace a few sprites, replace the credits name, you know. So it's just something. I hope it will take about an hour, and I will sleep better. So when you export the Godot project, we got the executable and the PCK. And the PCK is a Godot project directory. So that's my project directory, packed in one file, just like a zip file, for example. So it's crucial that you don't put an encryption key public tools like. Yeah, so that's what it's saying. So this tool can easily get the whole project. But we can use an encrypted key. Yeah, and so we need to recompile Godot, part of Godot at least, so that we can put our encrypting key into the Godot project, into the Godot engine, because it has to be in the code, basically. And that's why we have to do it ourselves, because obviously Godot is not gonna add a key that everyone will use. That would be pointless. Okay, so as a prerequisite, we have to compile our own Godot engine. So until now, I've been using, you know, the executable you can find on the Godot website. It's actually an app image, so I'm gonna call it like this, just so that I can keep my app image. So before, make sure you already got the hang of working with source code. Okay, so clone the Godot engine repository. Start by cloning the official Godot engine repository to your local machine. Alright, so where are we going to do this? I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna create a tools folder. And we're gonna do this here. So we're cloning the Godot project directly from Git. So it's gonna be like the latest version. Actually, How old is this post? August? Okay, so I guess it should be for... let me take a look. Because there are now 2 versions of Godot. Godot 3 and Godot 4. And I'm not sure which version. Yeah, see? I'm currently cloning 4.2.1, which I really don't want because my game is still in 3.5. But it doesn't look like there are several yeah, there's only one GitHub depot. I'm not sure how I can make sure. Maybe there will be some compilation flags I can use. Oh, so there's just a branch. All right, thanks. Thanks. Whoa, Sokol? G-Sokol? Welcome to the channel, by the way. I don't think I've seen you before. Thanks for the help. We're gonna try to do that. I'm not really used to Git and stuff, branches. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is gonna be the branch. We're gonna switch to 3.5. Okay, so we've cloned this. I don't even know how I'm supposed to change branches. I'm just gonna check because I'm always using the GitHub desktop application. Git branch, git checkout. All right, so I guess gonna do git checkout 3.5. Maybe we can do git branch. Oh shit, I'm not in the folder. Git branch. Oh, there's only one branch. Oh yeah, you're right. I remember. So I'm only cloning the master branch, and now I need to fetch the from the origin. So the origin depot, is that it? And then branch 3.5. And now. Yeah, that's strange. It's not in my list. Maybe... Oh, that's my current branch. Maybe there's something like this. Okay. Okay. And now you said git checkout 3.5. Hey, Sawent! Happy to have you here again. Hey, Kiska? Tolka Kiska? Tolka Kiska? Happy to have you here again. Okay. Yeah, thanks for the help, G-Sokol. I think there is a little delay between me seeing the chat and doing this stuff, so I guess it's a bit complicated. Okay, so now we should be good. I should be using the right branch, so I can keep following the tutorial along. Nice. Thanks for the help, man. Oh, I don't know actually. Thanks for the help. Whoever you are. So. Make sure you have all the necessary... Oh yeah, I might not have what's needed. So I need GCC 7 or Clone. I think I have that already. Oh, Moomer Man. Yeah, you might be right. But I don't see... Is there really a branch? I mean, stable... Oh, I can... So I can also get... I'm not sure how it works. How can I see the tags? So I could tell Git to use a version to a specific tag. Is that it? That would be actually great because I'm actually using... I'm not sure which version I'm using for the game. I'm using, 3.5.2 stable. So yeah, that would be interesting. Git tags. Tagging. Git tag list. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So now I just need to find the command to... Is it git checkout? Can I like specify... Okay. So can I just do git checkout 3.5.2/table? Shit! It's working. Thanks, guys. I'm glad you were here. I'm very lucky you are here, guys, because I really don't use Git that much since I'm working alone, and we were not using Git at Ubisoft. We were using I don't even remember the name. Okay, so now we should be perfectly good. Let's keep the tutorial running. GCC 7. I think I have this. Oh, I don't. Maybe I have Clang. 7+. I have GCC, but is it GCC 7? Maybe I have Clang. Okay, I have Clang, but Clang 6. Oh, it's 6R+. So I guess just having Clang at GCC is okay. I guess it's the most updated version. Python 3.6. I'm not sure I have Python installed. Official repository. Okay. So it should be good. SCons. Oh, that's... I'm quite sure I won't have this. I have? What? Why? Well, I remember a long time ago.
JSokal just followed.
Thanks for the follow, JSokal, on Twitch. I did compile Godot to fix a bug a long time ago. So maybe I still have some remnant of this. But they said SCons 3 specifically. But yeah, again, it's 4, so we are fine. So we have SCons, pkg config. I don't even know what this is. pkg conf. Yeah, I guess... Is it the same? pkg config and pkg conf? Maybe it's not the same. You know what? I'm gonna try to compile and see if there are any errors anyway. Hey, Jessica. Oh, that would be great. Actually, I'm not an affiliate, but at the end of this stream, I will be. I just need one more stream. You know, you have to stream 7 times a month, and I usually stream 1 time a week, but now I'm gonna stream 2 times a week. And so yeah, after this stream, I will be an affiliate. So next time, yeah, you'll be able to sub, and I will have to work on what I can give you guys for subscription. I think there are stuff like emotes and stuff. I'm still very new to this. Yeah, that would be great. Thank you, man. Okay, build the engine. With the recommend run the build system command for your platform. Linux BSD. Okay. Simple enough. Linux BSD. Let's see if there is an error. I didn't realize, but that might take a while. Maybe I should have done this before. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, no worries. I mean, you can give it to anyone you want. But that's fine. That's really cool to offer your Twitch Prime like this to support Godot devs. I think it's really, really, really nice. There was something red, but doesn't. Seems like it's okay. Okay, so it's compiling the whole engine. Maybe we're gonna do the rest while it's compiling, okay? Protecting through encryption. Now let's dive into the realm of encryption. How do I encrypt my project? So we need to generate a 256-bit key. Oh, that's funny. So there's a tool called OpenSSL. Let's try OpenSSL. I don't know about this tool, so I mean it's a good time to try OpenSSL. Shit. Wow. That's complicated, but I guess it's a tool to... What is it, actually? Cryptography toolkit. Okay, so it's basically used, yeah, for cryptography and stuff. So I guess maybe if I just use it like this, OpenSSL, and I want a SHA. I want this, right? SHA 256. Okay, maybe it's not gonna be that easy. Standard command. Oh, gen p key maybe. Are you doing some black magic? Is this some black magic shit? Random? How is that? What are you doing? I hope you're not trying to destroy me. I'm gonna believe you. Yeah, I guess that was something like this. Huh. Okay, it's taking some time. Alright. I prefer to use, I think, the OpenSSL. I'm just gonna take OpenSSL, how to use. But, just seems like a faster way. Huh. That looks complicated. I think there is an online tool. I'm sure if I do it like this, but I prefer not to use an online tool, to be honest. What is this? Input value? Alright, so I just have to give it something? Okay, let's try your ID, just out of curiosity. Oh, it's head. Okay. Shit. I don't even remember how to type this thing on my keyboard. I've never used that symbol. Yeah, sorry. You might not understand why I'm struggling. That's because I'm using this keyboard. So... Oh, okay. Don't type it. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna check anyway how I'm supposed... Oh, okay. That's just like this. Alright. I never remember the symbols. Let's try. Oh, yeah. That's really fast. Oh, that's a funny way to create a key. Thanks for the tip, man. You see, it seems like you really know your stuff about Linux and all. Well, not maybe Linux, but... Okay, so let's use this. Let's use this interesting key. So, obviously I'm going to change this afterwards, guys. I'm not going to use this key forever. But just for during this live, I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to use another one. Okay, so I have my key. Compile Godot engine using your key. Okay, so I need to add this key to my environment variables. All right. Oh, okay, so it will be random. That's nice. I don't know much about cryptography and stuff, so to be honest, when I was reading the OpenSSL thing, I was like, what's happening? Secretly use this key. No, I'm not gonna risk it. Alright, let's do this. Export. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna write all of this. Is the key supposed to be between quotes? Yeah, well, we'll see. Shit. Here's my key. Paste it. Maybe I'm gonna just paste it somewhere just to not lose it. Okay, so now the environment variable is set. Oh yeah, okay. 10 years of cloud engineering. I guess you know your stuff about this. Yeah, I was game designer at Ubisoft. So... yeah, I'm still learning this stuff. I did study computer science. A long time ago. So yeah, I still have some memories, but... Okay, so I guess that when we're gonna compile... Oh yeah, scans will try to read script. So our new environment variable... If that's fine, it will then slide in the key. Okay, so we just have to recompile. Great, so that first compiled might have been useless. Maybe it's gonna be faster. Did it really change something? We'll see. And then I need to compile Godot export template. Template. Debug. Invalid value. Oh, I write templates. Values are debug, release, debug, release. Oh, okay, so it's not template debug, it's just debug. Oh, you're a nurse? Oh, that's pretty cool. You seem to be. I thought you were a programmer or something, since you seem to be really knowledgeable about programming stuff. Yeah, I think it's a hard job, to be honest. I don't want to be in your place. I think it's a really hard job. Can it be built with target debug? Oh, it's release debug because that's the editor, I guess. Okay, so the tutorial is a bit out of date, I guess. Or maybe it's because it's for Godot 4. Not sure if anything changed for this. All the files will be created inside bin directory. Okay. Now you need to tell Godot Engine to use that custom template instead of the default template. You can do so by opening... Okay. Okay, so I guess we now have to... We can close this, and we now have to wait for this to be compiled. You hate your job? I mean, I understand. When I see what nurses have to do, I mean, seems pretty tiring. But at least you do help a lot of people. I don't help a lot of people. But I hope I will, in a way. I hope we're gonna have fun with my game. We are almost done. So we just need to set our custom template. Oh, okay, custom template, that's it. We're gonna need to add them here. So it's gonna be in bin. I guess it's gonna be right here. When it's done compiling. I'm surprised there is not the debug template though. Bin directory of the Godot source code. Maybe there was an error? It's strange because it seems to me that I've compiled the... Well, anyway. I don't see how I'm gonna be able to run it though. Editor. So those are the object files, right? I mean, everything should be here, right? Hey, thanks G-Circle, thanks for the help, and good luck with your game. Damn, 60% guys. I don't really know much about Git and stuff. I've never compiled much stuff. So yeah. Oh, I can see the object files being created. That's funny. Yeah, editor stuff here. Maybe this is the executable. I'm not gonna run it for now. I don't want to break anything, but that might be the executable to use. And that's kind of great actually, because now that I have you know, I've always downloaded the app image, but now that I have the Godot project on my computer and I know how it works, I guess it's gonna be easier for me to change stuff if I want to. But I don't really want to. Just want to be done with this game. And then I'm gonna use Godot 4 for the next game. Because everyone is working on stuff for Godot 4. Like poaching on Switch. 11 viewers on Twitch right now? Whoa, that's a lot of people lurking. Hey guys. Sorry, I don't have the numbers yet. I should find. I will buy a second screen at some point. I will have a second monitor just for the streaming, so I can see everything. But hey guys, thank you for being here. You don't have to talk. It's okay. If you want to talk, you can. It would be a pleasure. But I'm happy to have you lurking around. That's great. Yeah, Alex is always lurking on YouTube. I knew you were there. I can't. I would give you a VIP flag if I could, but I don't think that's a thing on YouTube. I don't know. I gave one to iEffect on Twitch. But yeah, I've actually, guys, I've actually did the creator camp, Twitch creator camp yesterday with the quiz and everything. Because yeah, I wanted to try the streaming stuff. I wasn't sure I would be into it. I wasn't sure people would watch me doing stuff actually. And actually not only, and I discovered it's not only about watching, but really about, interacting, helping me, asking the good questions too, giving good ideas. It's actually, you know, you give me a lot back. I know that, doing the stream is like cool for you guys because you wouldn't be here, but you actually give me a lot of stuff just being here. Commenting and stuff. Damn, that's very long. But yeah, now I know about the word lurking, because I didn't know what it was before yesterday. So that you know how I'm really not into this kind of stuff usually. I never watch Twitch, to be honest. I'm starting now because I'm streaming, but I never watch Twitch. But I'm really a YouTube guy. That's why I started with videos on YouTube. But I kind of see the advantages of Twitch over YouTube for live stuff, the way you interact and all. But I like having two platforms. I don't like being dependent on one platform. I'm sorry guys, I would like my computer to be faster. Well, maybe we can talk about the other thing. So then we'll be able to export the project, do some stuff. And there's a method too that is interesting because there are tools like GDKE or IDA. Maybe we could try, just out of curiosity, to use them. Hey, that's super interesting, guys. When you build a Godot template with an encryption key set, the build tool will inline somewhere into the file, and so the key is a random location, pretty much every time you build. We are still able to retrieve this key, though, as it is obviously used to decrypt. and the place where it happens in a function called gdscript load bytecode. It's really easy to find functions in IDA, and you can abuse this to easily find the function. Yeah, I mean, guys, still looks a bit complicated. So basically, if you have a debug version, which you guys will have, because that's the one I share, I can't deal with Twitch's UI. Yeah, I guess, yeah, both UI are really different. I agree with this. Like, I never was really attracted to Twitch, because anytime I would click on it, I would be like, yeah, I guess it's just two different platforms for different people, and that's just great. I'm able to stream on both of them at the same time. So yeah, it looks a bit complicated to get the encryption key still. Anyway. But one way to protect this is to actually do some crazy stuff in the code. Like modify it a bit so that it's not exactly the same. Maybe, for example, we could, in this case with GDKE, it seems to be looking for a function called load bytecode. So maybe there's a way, and I won't do that on stream. But maybe I will, you know, change the function name, change the variable name to something else. Just to, you know, complicate, to make sure that this tool will be like almost impossible to use and you would have to do it by hand. I think it's done. Okay, seems to be done. And we have this. All right. I'm just not sure how I'm supposed to run Godot now. What am I supposed to do? How do I run Godot? Well, let's try to run this, but it seems to me that those are the templates, right? I don't think they are the... Oh no, that's the editor. All right. Well, let's... I don't feel comfortable opening my project for now with this. So I'm just gonna make a copy of it. And we're gonna try with the copy first. Don't really feel comfortable doing this with my... I can always get back to the first version with Git and everything, but... Okay, let's import. Dev. Okay. So. Okay. It's opening everything right. Now we can go into export. I already have some template, and here I need to put the custom template, but I'm not sure where are they. Where are they? Editor data. Wait. Release. Could be an editor data. It seems to be an editor data. So that's... Oh, okay, I get it. So that's the release version of the Godot editor. That's the debug version of the Godot editor. And then in editor, no, that should be in the bin folder. I should have something here. Does this really work? Did I make a mistake? Compile your Godot export template. All the files will be created inside bin. Yeah, there's something not right. You know what? Yeah, I see. It should be an executable. Oh, yes, because it's for Windows. Linux. I'm really not sure. I don't think that's gonna work. I think I missed something. Anyway, let's try with this. But I don't have this editor data folder here, so I'm a bit concerned. Well, we'll try with this. So head over to Encryption tab. Make sure you enable the encrypt the exported package. Where is it? Where is the Encryption tab? I don't have an encryption tab. Is this? Don't tell me it's a Godot 4 only thing. That... I just... Yeah, just don't have the tab. Shit. Oh. What am I missing? I can do so, export at your platform. And put your custom template in that field. Well, is this the end? Is this the end? Let's take a look at this. Maybe there is more information. Compile. Yeah, they all have this. But that's Godot 4 documentation. Let's take a look at the Godot 3 documentation. PCK. Maybe just encryption. Oh, that would be. Oh no, guys! I think it's a Godot 4 thing. I think. Oh no! It seems like I really lost my time here. Yeah. There's nothing here. I guess one easy way to check would be to install Godot 4. And just see if there is this thing. This tab. But I don't see it, so is there something maybe here? No. Maybe in the editor settings, I don't know. No. Oh no! So they did add encryption to Godot 4, but it wasn't available. That's strange. It's not written anywhere. I mean, no, it's not your fault. I did check the documentation before running the live just to be sure it was okay, but I didn't. There's no mention that it's only working in Godot 3, in Godot 4. So I thought, you know. But yeah, I think it is because you know, when we added the key, it didn't change the build didn't change. Like, we rebuilt it and there was no change. So I guess, you know, that was proof enough that nothing changed. But we'll know for sure. Oh shit. Oh, anytime I am installing something, Nvidia is trying to do the updates. Oh, that's too bad, because we've clearly seen that, yeah, it's quite easy to get everything for my game, and that's great. That's not great. Anyone in the comment? Wow, a comment from 23 days ago. Oh! You did find the documentation? I mean, that's strange that I did not find it. Wait. Oh, I didn't notice you can actually just change the version here. 3.5. No page found. 3. No page found. I'm not sure you can share the links, actually. I might have blocked links. That's why I'm trying to find it. I might have blocked links to avoid people sharing stuff, you know. But that's stupid because... See, I can't... Anytime I change the version... Okay, 3.5. Encryption. Oh! Okay. So, if they're saying this, it means it works. Script tab. Really? It's called script in Godot 3. Thank you very much, Moomoo Man. I guess I just had to go all the way. Encrypted. Provide key. Sure, here's my key. For now. Okay. Oh, thank you. See? That's exactly what I was saying. Doing the tree stream, I actually... You are the one actually helping me. Okay, what's the rest? So it's talking about filters, but there's no filters here that I can see. Alright, all that left is to click the export project button. Okay, what about trying this then? It will build Lueur temp test. Okay. Export. Save. Export with debug, yeah, let's do it. Okay, I was afraid that everything crashed. Okay. So we have the build. Let's get our GDRE again and recover the project to see if it actually protected or not our game. Build. Where is it already? Test, maybe. Linux, yeah. Wait. It seems like there is like no problem. Is this the good version? Yeah, that's definitely this one. Maybe I'm gonna stop these updates. Don't really want anything bad to happen. Wrong file, you think? That's strange. It was x64. I'm gonna take a look. It should be Linux, test Linux, Lueur, temp test, x60. Yeah, the executable is x64 something, but what we need is the PCK, right? We're not using the executable. It's not the executable we are extracting the data from, it's from the PCK file. Oh, see? There's this thing to generate encrypted keys. So why is it not working? Let's do it again. Not in debug, just to see. Maybe it's just ignoring it in debug? I don't know. Since it is to debug, I think there was some code. I've seen some code, so I think it should be encrypting everything. I think. What is this? Yeah. Okay. But don't see any error. So that's not a debug version anymore. Let's try again. Maybe it's just working with release version and not debug version. Okay. Dev. No. Where is my... Oh. No. So, it's just not working. What did I do wrong? We should not be able to extract it like this. I don't have this error, I don't have any error. Oh! Seems like someone was right. Okay. Let's see, but the Recover project didn't say anything about having problems, so... Ah, so it's only protecting the scripts and not the... Ah, that's not as good as I thought. It's not protecting the assets and stuff. Let's see. Let's take a look at the project. And see if we can open the... Yeah, but my music, so you can steal them. No, I don't really care, to be honest. It's just, I thought it would encrypt, you know, the whole thing, not just the scripts. Sounds strange. Okay. Let's open this. We don't have to open the project, we can just go... Oh, you're right, guys. So it's working. It seems to be working. It seems to be working. It has encrypted the scripts. Wait, no, that's on my desktop. Backup 2. Okay. So if I run the game, it should not work, right? Yeah, there's no script, there's nothing. Yeah, you can still see a lot of stuff. GDE. Oh no, please, don't steal my scarecrow. It was so much work. Yeah, well, guys, at least you all know that you can easily use the tool to get everything but the scripts. If you want my frames and my cursors and stuff. Okay, I'm really surprised that it's only encrypting. Was it something in the tutorial too?
Chuck 180 just followed.
Hey, thanks for the follow, mate. Welcome. See, that's the strange thing. The guy in the tutorial here is clearly saying that you won't be able to open the PCK. So maybe in Godot 4 you can protect everything, like the whole PCK. And in Godot 3 you could only protect your scripts, which, to be honest, is like, yeah. At least nobody can take the game, steal the scripts, just change the few sprites and, you know, redistribute it. They can steal all the assets, but they can't just take the game, change a few things, rebuild the game, and I don't know, do things I don't want with. Okay, one more reason to use Godot 4 instead of Godot 3, I guess. Just out of curiosity. And after that I will leave and I will eat because it's almost noon here. I'm gonna try the tool. Let's delete this. And give it the key. And recover the project. Just to see if it does get the... If you get the key, you can get the script. I guess it should, but we'll see. All right. Hey Chuck, unfortunately I'm not really doing tutorials or debugging Godot. I'm not really good at debugging myself. Let me read a sec if I see something obvious, but I connected signals in a for loop. If I press and drag button 0, drag button 0. All signals are connected upwards, but let's say you pick second last. I'm sorry, I don't understand the message. I don't understand the problem, unfortunately. It only has the last one connected. I think you should definitely go on the Godot forum, and then there is like a help section. Maybe for you it would be programming, and just post about your error there, and maybe with screenshot, with your codes, maybe with a sample project. You can just do this on the forum. You can do this, I think. I don't think you can do this on the GitHub. And they also have a Discord, Code Engine, and I think you can ask for helps there. So be sure to do that. I'm sure there will be guys to help you. But here, like this in the chat, it's not easy to do. Okay. So let's see if it does work. No. Doing the same mistake again. Desktop, backup. Let's see if this one works. So it means that, yeah, if that works, basically mean that doesn't work. Huh. Well, it should, because the GD files are there. But yeah, we can see... No, it seems they're all still encrypted. Cannot load bytecode. Huh! Nice, I guess. Yeah, you can't open them, even with the key. Guess this software is maybe not working properly, or maybe there's something else. So just before I leave, shit. So obviously, if someone can, yeah, I did try to run the game, and it stuck right away. See, it's trying to get GDE files. I think that might be because of this maybe, but let's reopen it so that it has to re-import stuff. Re-importing everything. But it seems to be looking... I think it should work. And I think it's just because... See, it's looking for GDE files. So there's definitely something wrong. Oh, I think I know. I think that's... Yeah, I already run. Like, I've run several times. Doesn't work. So, I think what's happening is that the game is waiting for a GDE file, an encrypted file, okay? And but we have the GD file, we have the source code, but the game itself is looking for GD because it is encrypted, I guess. Not the project, but I can't compile, I can't export anything. I can't. Because it's not working in the editor, so I can't export the project. So a project that, but you know what? The next version will be encrypted. So I would love you guys to try to crack this if you want, and see if you can even get the game running. Before I leave, just talking about what I'm gonna do. So basically, you can go into the CPP file of that handles the encryption, and you can modify the function. For example, here this guy proposed to add a reverse function. So basically, you would have to give the key but in reverse. And that means that if you use a software to locate the key, you will locate the key but in the good order. And you have to reverse it. So, you know, one more hurdle. I would say like software that try to do this in a generic way would not think there is a reverse thing here. And you could do more stuff like this. You could, well, I have a few ideas, but I'm not going to share them. I'm going to keep that to myself. The next playtest, well, I'm going to end the stream anyway. Let me do the the smooth transition. Like this. Yeah! See guys, you don't see my OBS stream anymore. So it's working! Yeah! We protected our scripts. People can't just steal the thing. Next playtest? I don't know. I'm actually... I have still... I always try before I organize a playtest, I always try to play the level with a few of my friends that I can watch and talk with, so that I can find, you know, the biggest issues before I send the playtest version to everyone. But they are kind of unavailable at this time. That's actually the first time I have some difficulties to find one. So I think what I might do the playtest first on Discord. If you're not on the Discord yet, by the way, guys, don't hesitate to join the Discord. There is a link in the description, and if you're on Twitch, I don't know if there is a link. I don't think there is a link, so good luck. I will add this. I might do a first one on Discord, just to find the biggest problems, and then I will push it to Steam playtest. Because there is more than 1,000 people registered for playtest on Steam. So obviously I don't want to send something that is completely broken. So you guys are might be the guys who will play the broken version. And the playtest will include the elves level. And that's all. That's already fine. So, thank you guys for coming to the stream. I still have some difficulties to watch at the webcam. Thank you guys. I'm gonna stream again next week. I wanted to try this Saturday, but I think two streams a week is already a lot for me. So, next stream next week, I will try to do this on Monday. Okay, and by next time I should be an affiliate. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here. See you next time. Bye.